So, one of the things that I often get asked when people find out I am a family law attorney is what is the most common reasons that people experience marital problems or look to get divorced? And I tell them, in my experience, the number one thing usually revolves around financial concerns. Underlying that could also be trust issues. Maybe one person is spending money behind the other spouse's back or hiding expenses that they are, pursuing on the weekends, whether it's for the kids or for themselves. They're not telling their spouse that they've made the expenditures, and then their spouse finds out about it or finds that there's a hidden credit card. But finances is usually the number one thing. From there, we find that often it's a lack of communication, whether it's they're not communicating at all or there's a lack of respect in the communication for each other and the relationship. Again, trust is a big one. When you have a breakdown in communication, trust, financial problems with intimacy often follows next. And that's where we start to see the problems begin to spiral between couples that often have them looking to consider divorce as an option. A few of the other things we sometimes see is religious differences. Again, often those things can be resolved by just having open and honest communication with each other about what is best for your family and how you wish to raise your children. But for couples who struggle to do that, the collaborative process is one way that can help them. Frequently, I have couples enter the collaborative process not sure if they want to actually divorce, pursuing potentially reconciliation, and through the collaborative process, they learn to trust, communicate more effectively, and often pursue reconciliation as a result. So whether you and your loved one are considering reconciliation or looking at a divorce, I encourage you to consider the collaborative process because the tools will help you and your family have a bright future going forward.